Good morning, and thank you for joining us for today's Daily Market Outlook. Joining me today is Emily from our trading room to tell us more about the recent developments. Emily?
In just a week, the dollar has gone from a safe haven to investors' whipping boy as Trump's tariffs undermine decades of trust in the world's reserve currency. The sudden loss of confidence was apparent in the Treasury market, which saw the largest weekly increase in borrowing costs since 1982. Gold blazed past the $3,200 mark on Friday, as a faltering dollar and an escalating US-China trade war stirred recession fears, sending investors flocking to the safety of the yellow metal. US gold futures rose 2.1%. US energy firms this week cut oil rigs by the most in a week since June 2023, lowering the total oil and natural gas rig count for a third consecutive week. Energy services firm Baker Hughes said in its closely followed report on Friday.
The dollar-yen pair saw moderate losses in the last session. The Williams indicator is giving a positive signal. The Bitcoin dollar pair plummeted in the last session. The CCI is giving a positive signal. The Aussie dollar pair skyrocketed in the last session. The Williams indicator is giving a positive signal. Crude oil prices skyrocketed in the last session. The CCI is giving a positive signal.
Get ready for a packed economic calendar this week, with a range of data releases expected to capture market attention. From major economic indicators to less impactful reports, each piece of data may contribute to market sentiment and strategy adjustments. As these releases unfold, maintaining a clear strategy and watching market responses can provide an edge. Volatility might offer both risks and rewarding opportunities.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to log in tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.
Your trusted choice in online trading.